Stop second-guessing your marketing strategy and start tracking your sales funnel's performance. What's up, guys? Dipan here with Software Deal, the #1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. In today's product showcase, we're talking about TruConversion, the easy-to-use funnel tracking and optimization tool that offers heat maps, session recordings, and form analytics to help you craft your best strategies. Before we get into it, make sure you're subscribed to Best Software Deals' YouTube channel so you never miss out on any of our scoops and deals. Okay, let's dive right into your TruConversion dashboard, where you can see all of your traffic stats like your sessions, users, and page views. Compare these by week and check out a summary of all your active tools down here. You can add new users by going through settings. Once you add a user, you can also make them an admin and control their access through the platform. This is also where you'll set up integrations. Now, lucky for you, there's a long list of integrations available. Now, let's explore TruConversion's tools, starting with a smart funnel. Here, you can see each funnel name, how many people visited the conversion funnel rate, and the funnel timing. Creating a new funnel is easy. Just give it a name, and then choose your page type from the presets. Enter your step name, the page URL, and choose your goal. TruConversion will help you meet them. So right here, we're seeing a guideline for conversion rates, which is super helpful. When you're done, just set your primary conversion rate, and then you can mark your funnel active or even schedule when you want it to be active. One last thing about smart funnels is the report feature. You can see all your stats right there and the advanced filters to get a more in-depth look. Now let's chimney on over to heat maps. Creating a heat map is simple. Simply name it, choose your sample size, and pick your page. Then click Active, create heat map, and boom, you're done. The heat map report gives you a closer look at all the clicks, moves, and scrolls on your page. In the detailed report, you can get even more info like the visitor source. Hopping on over to forms, let's create a new one. Let's go ahead and name it, choose the number of visits, and enter your URL here. Then you choose which form on the page you want to track, hit Active, and you're all set. When you view the report, you'll see the total sessions, conversion rate, and average form filling time. Moving right along to recordings, TruConversion has streamlined how you create recordings. Everything else, you're going to name the recording and then choose how many recordings to capture. Now you can specify which events you want to record. This loads the website, and you can decide which actions you want to record, like clicking this Join Now button. Pretty cool, right? And then you can easily view recordings. Last but not least are micro-surveys, which follows the same easy setup as everything else. Just add in your questions and you're done. Sumolings, what are you waiting for? TruConversion makes your sales funnels the best they've ever been. Let's level up your marketing data with TruConversion today. The heat map report will look closer to what I'm seeing. So right here, we're seeing a guideline for conversion rate, which is super helpful. The heat map report never works